Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Prepare yourself for a captivating journey as we dive into the world of finance and business. So, whether you're here to expand your knowledge, seek inspiration, or simply enjoy a moment of entertainment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started.
Amazon Mechanical Turk Turk is an online crowdsourcing platform that allows businesses and individuals to access a large and diverse pool of human workers, often referred to as Turkers, to complete tasks that computers can't easily handle. These tasks, known as human intelligence tasks, can range from simple data entry and image labeling to more complex tasks like content moderation and data analysis. Requesters, those who post tasks on Turk, can specify the qualifications required for workers to participate in their tasks, set the payment amount for each task, and define the number of workers needed. Turkers from around the world can browse available hits, choose tasks that match their skills and qualifications, and complete them for a monetary reward. Making money on Amazon Mechanical Turk Turk involves completing tasks, known as human intelligence tasks posted by requesters on the platform. Here's a step-by-step guide to get started and maximize your earnings. 1. Create an Amazon Mechanical Turk account. Visit the Turk website and sign up for an account. 2. Complete your profile. Fill out your profile with accurate information and add any qualifications that you may have, as some tasks require specific qualifications. 3. Browse available hits. After creating your account, you can browse available hits on the platform. Use the search and filter options to find tasks that match your skills and interests. 4. Start with simple tasks. If you are new to Turk, consider starting with simpler tasks to build your reputation and gain experience. These tasks often pay less, but can help you qualify for higher-paying tasks in the future. 5. Qualify for better tasks. Some requesters require workers to have specific qualifications to complete their tasks. You can take qualification tests to improve your chances of being eligible for better paying tasks. 6. Pay attention to pay rates. Be mindful of the pay rates for hits. Make sure the compensation is fair for the time and effort required. 7. Avoid scams, exercise caution, and avoid any hits that seem suspicious or too good to be true. 8. Check for reviews and ratings. Some requesters have ratings and reviews from other workers. It can be helpful to choose hits from requesters with a good reputation. Remember that while it's possible to make money on Turk, the earnings may vary, and it can take time to build a consistent income. It's essential to approach Turk as a supplementary source of income rather than a primary means of financial support. Additionally, be aware of potential challenges, such as low-paying tasks and the need to qualify for higher-paying opportunities.
And that concludes another captivating episode on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration and discovery as much as we did. Before we part ways, we want to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, our incredible viewers. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Feel free to also drop a like and add a comment down below, This will help us in doing our future projects. Thanks for watching.